Hello friends, this is Mrs. Avasti here. Once again, I have been with you. The next topic, articles. You have been learning articles since your school days. This is also a tricky lesson like prepositions. This is also one of the most difficult topics in English grammar. Why? I will discuss these complexities time to time in the video. So let us start the journey of learning articles. Friends, there are three articles in English. These are a, and, the. इंग्रजीमध्ये तीन आर्टिकल्स हे आहेत a and the. Articles are used before the nouns. नाउनच्याच आधी आर्टिकल वापरले जातात. आर्टिकल्स आर मेंट फॉर नाउन ओनली. नाउन साठीच आर्टिकल असतात, दुसऱ्या पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच साठी आर्टिकल नसतात. व्हर्ब्स, ॲडव्हर्ब्स, प्रोनाउन, ओनली ॲडजेक्टिव्ह नेव्हर टेक आर्टिकल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ए टेबल, an orange, the sky, a mobile, an eagle, the sun. Articles are never used before adjectives. Most of the students commit the mistake of making the use of article before adjective. विशेषणाच्या आधी आर्टिकल वापरले जात नाही. For example, he is rich. He is a rich. This is wrong. He is rich. What is meant by adjective? Adjective म्हणजे काय? When we ask the question to the noun how, how ने जेव्हा प्रश्न विचारतो तो कसा आहे? श्रीमंत. The word we get as an answer is adjective. Second example, the book is interesting. पुस्तक कसं आहे? Interesting. But interesting is only adjective. You cannot say the book is an interesting. You will have to say the book is interesting. But articles are used before adjective plus noun. When adjective is followed by noun, articles are used. See, this is slightly confusing, but let us see what is given here. Now he is a rich man. Rich, this is adjective. It is followed by person. So I may say that he is a rich man, but I can't say he is a rich. Rich हे adjective नंतर person आलंय, म्हणून मी काय म्हणते, he is a rich person. It is an interesting novel. It is interesting. फक्त interesting असेल, I can't make the use of an. But when the adjective interesting is followed by the noun novel, I make the use of an. Adjective नंतर noun येत असेल म्हणजे हे फिक्स झालंय. Articles are used for nouns. Articles are related to nouns. Adjective नंतर जर noun आलं तर आपण articles वापरतो. Just I told you that article is one of the most difficult topics in grammar. Why? There are complexities in using articles. Articles वापरण्यामध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Example will make my point clear. Read these two sentences. We live in Maharashtra. He was sacked by the Maharashtra Cricket Association. दोन वाक्ये. In the first sentence, Maharashtra comes without article. In the second sentence, Maharashtra Cricket Association has been preceded by the students, they commit a mistake. The students generally focus on words, not on the complete sentence. And that's why here what happened, they commit the mistake in making the use of articles appropriately. Actually what happens, don't think about only Maharashtra. You will have to think about the entire sentence, and only then you will get the clear-cut idea about using the correct articles. Take down the next sentence. He was born on Sunday. He reads the Sunday Observer newspaper. It was a Sunday morning. What has happened? In the first sentence, Sunday doesn't take article. But in the second sentence, the Sunday Observer is given to you, and in the third sentence, a Sunday morning is given to you. Remember, guys, don't focus on words. You will have to focus on the sentences, and only then you will get the clear-cut idea of using articles. Now let us discuss types of articles. There are two types of articles. The first one is indefinite article. The second one is definite article. First of all, let us see indefinite articles. A and N. A and N are called indefinite articles. मराठीमध्ये indefinite article म्हणजे अनिश्चित. What is the meaning of A and N? A and N means one. In general, not particular, single. A आणि N चा अर्थ काय होतो? एक. आणि तो कोणताही, जनरल मधला, विशिष्ट नाही, अनिश्चित, निश्चित नसतो. It is used before singular nouns only. A चा अर्थ एक होतो, म्हणून A आणि N कुठे वापरले जातात? फक्त सिंग्युलर नाउन साठी वापरले जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, a teacher, an apple, a television, an umbrella, etc. The second type is definite article. What is the meaning of definite article? Definite article means the. Definite article means nishchit. The is used as a definite article. The is called definite article. What is the meaning of the? Specific, particular. निश्चित. A boy, कोणताही मुलगा. The boy, तोच मुलगा. The is also used before singular as well as plural nouns. The एकवचनासाठी पण आहे आणि अनेक वचनासाठी पण आहे. A and N are never used for plurals, but the is used for plural. For example, the boy in blue jeans, the girls of science. A boy, कोणताही मुलगा. The boy in blue jeans, blue jeans मधलाच मुलगा. इथं मुलगा निश्चित आहे, मी एकाकडेच बघते. मग I saw a boy, मी एक मुलगा पाहिला. कोणता? निश्चित नाही, हा असेल, तो असेल, तो असेल. But when I say I saw the boy in blue jeans, म्हणजे blue jeans मधलाच तो एक फिक्स झाला. Now I met the girls, I met girls, मी मुलींना भेटले. कोणत्या मुली? कोणत्याही असू शकतात त्या. But I met the girls of science, सायन्सच्याच मुलींना मी भेटले. Let us move to the next one. First of all, let us discuss the uses of indefinite article A. First of all, let us discuss how indefinite article A is used. A is used before singular noun. एकवचनासाठीच A वापरतात. The pronunciation must begin with consonant. What is consonant? व्यंजन. व्यंजन कशाला म्हणतात? बाराखडी तुम्हाला सर्वांना येते, अ आ इ उ ए पासून तज्ञपर्यंत. आता त्याच्यामधले पहिले सोडून द्या, पहिली लाईन अ आ इ ई उ ऊ ए ऐ ओ औ अम आहा ऍ अ, हे व्हॉवेल्स आहे आणि खालचे सगळे कॉन्सोनंट्स आहे. क ख ग घ, च छ ज झ, त थ द ध, य र ल व श, स प फ ब भ म न ण ज्ञ, हे सगळे व्यंजन्स क पासून ज्ञ पर्यंतचे. जर याच्याने त्या नाऊनच्या उच्चाराची सुरुवात होत असेल तर आपण ए वापरतो. We speak about a thing or a person in general. Already we have discussed this one. जनरल मध्येच आपण ही गोष्ट जेव्हा जनरल बोलतो आणि निश्चित नाही असं बोलतो त्यावेळेसच हे वापरतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय नीड ए फोन. मला एका फोनची गरज आहे. एका फोनची. एक फोन म्हणजे नॉट ए स्पेसिफिक फोन, एनी फोन. मंगेश वॉन्ट्स ए बायसिकल. A bicycle, not particular bicycle, a bicycle in general, एक सायकल कोणतीही. Do you have a driver's license? एका ड्रायव्हरचा लायसन तुझ्याकडे आहे का? That is also in general. I have a car. माझ्याजवळ एक कार आहे. विक्रम is a teacher. Is there a dictionary in your backpack? A dictionary. And you observe the another thing about the nouns. The pronunciation of all these nouns begin with consonant. A phone, phone, that is consonant. Bicycle, that is consonant. Driver, that is consonant. Car, that is consonant. Teacher, that is consonant. Dictionary, that is consonant. Now let us move to the next one, and that is indefinite article n. We are going to discuss how n is used in sentences. N is also used before singular countable noun, just like a. A प्रमाणेच एक वचनी काउंटेबल नाउन असेल तर त्याच्या आधी आपण n वापरतो. The pronunciation must begin with vowel here. A मध्ये आपण पाहिलं the pronunciation must begin with consonant. N साठी pronunciation must begin with vowels. आता vowels means स्वर. स्वर कोणते? मी पुन्हा मराठीत सांगते. अ आ इ ई उ ए ऐ ओ औ अम आहा ऍ अ. These are the vowels. तुम्ही 5वी पर्यंत शिकलात, स्पेलिंगची सुरुवात ए ई आय ओ यू ने होत असेल तर आपण काय वापरलं पाहिजे? एन वापरला पाहिजे. पण आता इथं लक्ष ठेवा. We must go ahead. We must go in deep. Don't think of spelling, think of pronunciation. Ignore spelling, focus on pronunciation, and sound must begin with a vowel. We speak here also about a thing, person in general. Examples will make the point clear. He is an actor. That is, what is here? The pronunciation begins with a, that is vowel. An actor, that is singular. She didn't get an invitation. An invitation, E. I am not speaking about I, pronunciation E. And that is also singular, so I have made the use of an invitation. I saw an eagle at the zoo. An eagle, it also begins with E. Let us see the complexities in indefinite articles. You have to focus on sound. You cannot focus on spelling. When the pronunciation of the noun begins with vowel sound, you have to make the use of n. स्वराने जर उच्चाराची सुरुवात होत असेल तर तुम्हाला n वापरावा लागतो. And when the pronunciation of the noun begins with the consonant sound, you have to make the use of a. You should now forget a, e, I, o, u. a, e, I, o, u हे आता तुम्ही विसरणं फार गरजेचं आहे. तुम्ही प्रोनाउन्सिएशन बघणं गरजेचं आहे. Examples: an honest man. I don't pronounce honest man. That is an honest man. O is vowel, so I have made the use of n. An honorable leader. I am not pronouncing honorable leader. That is an honorable an honorable leader. An MP. MP. I am not pronouncing MP. That is an MP. So I have made the use of n. A. This is vowel. Now an MLA. MLA. I am not saying Malay. That is an MLA. So here A, it is vowel, and so I have made the use of an MLA. A university. You pronounce it. You. य यज्ञाचा त्याला उकार आहे. दॅट्स वाय हिअर य यज्ञाचा हा व्यंजन आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे मी काय वापरते अ युनिव्हर्सिटी. आय कॅनॉट से एन युनिव्हर्सिटी. अ युनिव्हर्सिटी. ऍक्च्युअली द प्रोनाउन्सिएशन इज नॉट युनिव्हर्सिटी. उच्चार युनिव्हर्सिटी नाहीये. दॅट इज युनिव्हर्सिटी. अ युजफुल थिंग. यू य यज्ञाचा त्याला उकार. That is consonant. So I have made the use of a. That is not a useful thing. That is a useful thing. So in this way, here I have completed the discussion on indefinite article a and n, which are used before the singular countable nouns and when the noun is not specified, and we have to focus on the pronunciation of the noun. So here I conclude my session saying thanks to all. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. In the next session, I will discuss the uses of definite article the. Till then, goodbye to everybody and thank you.